Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking your composition and stabilizing the camera. You want every frame sharp. Once the tripod is set, switch to night mode or manually select a slow shutter and higher ISO. Aim ISO 800 to 3200 depending on noise. Make sure you enable RAW or the highest quality codec so recovery is possible later. You should also disable in-camera sharpening and set white balance manually. This prevents color shifts when you apply denoise and lift shadows in post. Once you have initial captures, balance exposure and motion. For stationary scenes, use longer exposures or multiple averaged frames to reduce noise. For movement, raise shutter speed and compensate with ISO or controlled lighting. Make sure to use soft fill lights when needed. Avoid harsh spots that clip highlights. You should capture bracketed takes or overlapping sequences so you can stack or temporal denoise in post. Also record a clean reference frame for color and a short ambient audio bed if sound matters. You finish by using temporal or multi-frame denoising to keep detail while removing grain. Once done, correct white balance and lift shadows carefully so you don't crush blacks. Make sure to apply localized contrast and color grading to restore depth and export at high bitrate. If you see banding, add subtle dithering or gentle blur on gradients. If color speckles persist, use chroma-only denoise. Finally, render a short test clip to confirm motion and color before final delivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.